What up, gang?
What do we got going on?
Bro, I don't know what the deal is, but for some reason, every time I come here, you know, people see me ride, quad riders see me ride, and then they automatically think like, oh, I can beat that guy on a dirt bike. Even though I ride quads, I can beat that guy on a dirt bike. But that's what we got going on today, man. We got 2 quad riders on dirt bikes today, and they challenged me for a little race. We're gonna do a little 4-lap race and basically see how it goes. Last year we did the same thing with Wesley Wolf, and he got me. I ain't gonna lie, he got me. But we just finna run it back for part 2, baby.
All right, man. Well, good luck.
Appreciate it, dog.
Oh yeah, me too. Cole can attest for me. I tried doing one yesterday, and I just stood it straight.
What, a whole start?
Well, this thing can pull second gear easy. I don't know why I'm not doing second. Yeah. What?
Did he just triple a quad into that?
He tripled. There's no way you can make a quad into that.
It looked pretty damn far from here. What we finna have going on, you guys, we did the same exact thing last year. We got some quad riders wanting to race me on some dirt bikes that they have. Well, we got Cole. Cole's a dirt bike rider, so he's pretty damn fast. Well, at least I know I got the start. I don't even have a whole shot device, so this should be fun. Well, I need me a little rock. Short man over here.
But apparently some bike rider thinks he's faster than us, so we're going to see 2 pro-am quad kids. Who's better? I totally forgot what I was going to say. Can we try that?
Good luck.
Thanks.
You gonna run backwards again?
Yeah.
You think you got these guys?
Yeah.
What? You gonna pass them in 1 lap or 2? We calling it?
2. Oh, I think I got him.
Oh yeah? What's this? 250, 450?
Well, I had to pull the motor out. It's got a KTM in it. Technically a Husky, but
KTM and a Husky. I don't know. I think that's against the rules.
it's an open class.
So 250 or 4?
250.
Awesome. So you think you're gonna beat him?
I think I got him.
All right, cool, man. Good luck.
Depends on if I hit power line.
All right.
Wait! Can you hand me that rock? The rock, right here. The rock. Can you hand it to me? Yeah. I'm short. Yeah, appreciate it. got pull out the lead now. Remember, you got it back. Local Pennsylvania B-class driver. These visors just clip off, right?
Yeah, it's broke.
They break? Yeah.
This damn GoPro's on still, isn't it?
Hello.
Running. Winner, started backwards, passed
Half
on
my
the
competition fell.
first lap, right?
Yeah.
First lap passed everybody. See what Darius did. I don't know what he's doing over but the ATV went in.
Holy crap.
You almost soiled it at the end.
You know, there was 3 times where I did that. Like, tripling into the whoops over there, went off the track. And then I did it again the next lap and went off the track inside the mud bog, which isn't a good idea ever. And then here, tried doing something silly. No, you shouldn't. I've arm pump. But
So you still won though.
yeah,
Cole doesn't count.
yeah,
But
it was fun.
lost it, what, first lap again.
Yeah. No, I thought we were doomed for a second. He had us in the first half, not gonna lie, but. Whew.
Blair took me out.
Blair took you out.
Blair took me out.
He totally did not. So did not.
Are you lying to us?
100%
No, just front wheel washed out.
Good you're not hurt though.
Yeah, it happened pretty quick. And then my starter wire disconnected. I couldn't start it.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
Where's he at? This is not hard out here.
Man, did you see me clip that corner right
Yeah,
there?
I got him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Damn. Heat of the moment, man. Gets me every
You
time.
had it. You had this one.
I know. I had it in the bag and I fumbled the bag. Dang.
So you think we'll do a rematch soon?
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe a rematch? Alright. Good job, Darius.
Appreciate it, man.
So what happened out there?
Shit, man, it was an intense race, you hear me? It's hard out here for my man over there. He fell and I turned like, I don't know. Next time he got it. He got it next time, alright?
How'd you go down? I clipped that corner and it hit my freaking bar. You had him gapped? I know, dude, my leg got stuck back here between the tire and the pipe.
Darius, you choking the moment, man.
Damn it! Hey, we'll run it back. He'll come again.
Down too. I almost hit you.
Your bike's making some weird noise. It's loose? Oh. That's what it is.
Damn, man. You alright? It's hard out here. Just say it's
hard out here, man.
Hey.
Hard out here.
totally did not.
I'll see y'all later.
Two white gold, keep it lace, gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Rockin' Mary jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball main frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.